Hi, my name is Oren Colton. Today I am joined by Graham Wilston, Helene McKay-Andre, Louise Richmond and Rachel Laurie. We are Group 8 and today we are going to discuss our design stage for our web app, Troll Memes.
Hi there, my name is Graham and I'd like to talk about the system we are using for troll memes. The app will contain a number of languages including PHP, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript and MySQL. Combining these disciplines, we will create a number of functions that the app will offer. In regards to server-side programming, we will have iOS 6 uploads, login systems, URL shortening, search result capabilities and database information. Together, these will provide a seamless interaction for the user when browsing, uploading, or sharing with friends. On the front end, we will be using HTML5 and CSS3 for the aesthetic qualities included in the design. We will offer a simplistic system where the user will control their content with ease. In regards to layout, we will use a fluid responsive grid created with CSS3 media queries and percentages for multi-device capability. In addition to responsive design, we will add touch-oriented functions through jQuery plugins, such as the legendary swipe slider. This will make browsing through libraries of GIFs a more native-like experience and cover user interactions with the app. For loading times, we will create an HTML5 manifest to target 3 problems with web apps. Offline browsing is a problematic occurrence when creating web apps. Fortunately though, coding a manifest, users can navigate through our site when they aren't connected to the internet. This also allows for cached local resources and therefore will load faster. We can also count on a reduced server load, as the browser will only need to download resources from the server that haven't changed, such as new GIFs that have been uploaded. Storing information is one of the functions that our app is hosting the ability to converse with. Uploads are completed by collecting dynamic information through the means of PHP and storing them in a MySQL database for further reference. This also allows us for user input tags that can further describe a GIF, which may lead to more fruitful searches.
Hi, my name is Oren Colton and I am going to be talking about the user interface for our app, Troll Memes. We want the user experience to be as simple and straightforward as possible, and so we have decided to keep the user interface minimal and designed with graphic simplicity in mind. The mobile version of Troll Memes will use an infinite scroll feature, allowing the user to easily scroll through the content without the need to navigate multiple pages, thus reducing load times and giving the app a more native feel. The categories will be displayed in columns, with the category names at the top. When the user scrolls a column, we will display an overlay scroll bar within that column to give the user an experience that they are already familiar with from using many desktop applications and internet browsers. The upload button will be situated at the top right corner, similar to the new tweet option in the Twitter app. Again, this has been done to create a user experience that is already familiar amongst many users. When the user clicks to upload an image, they will be taken into the OS of the mobile device in order to select an image from their device storage. We have opted to stick with using the default OS method, as it will use the default OS interface for this task, again giving the app a more native feel and providing the user with an experience they are already familiar with. If a user finds a meme he or she would like to share with friends, they will select that image by tapping on it. This will then display a preview of the meme in an overlay box and provide the user with several sharing options, such as a raw link, Facebook share, Twitter share, and the option to send an email. Once successfully shared, a success message will be displayed back to the user, then the user will be redirected back to the category display screen. For the desktop version of Troll Memes, we would like to focus on pushing users down the mobile web app route, but we would also like to include a blog section where users can read about what is going on at Troll Memes and engage with us to provide feedback. The desktop version of our web app would also have a login where registered users could upload memes to the site, manage account information, and would search through the collection of memes. Again, the main purpose of the desktop version would be to promote the mobile web app.
Hi, I'm Louise and I'm going to be talking about the navigation part of the web app. All web apps have some sort of navigation, and for our web app we have chosen to include a number of navigational ways for the user to get around and access the app comfortably. The first part of the navigation I'm going to talk about is the navigational buttons. These will appear on each page of the web app. On each page there will be a home button, which when clicked on will navigate users back to the main category page, where from here the users can select a new category or log out. There will also be an upload button situated on the upload page. Once the user has entered in all the details and attached the GIF they want to upload, they just simply have to click on the upload button, which will redirect the user to the library page where they can then view their GIF. On the main page of the Troll Memes web app, this is where the main navigational bar will be situated. This will have a number of features. However, the main navigation for this page will be navigating through the different categories that are available. The users will be able to navigate through these categories by sliding across left to right and also up and down. When the preferred meme has been found, the user can simply click on the GIF and it will then redirect to its own page. By including this navigation structure, users should be able to get to their chosen meme within a few clicks easily and very quickly with no hassle. When the users have logged into Troll Memes, there will be a navigation button, which when clicked on will link them directly to their Facebook pages. However, this will only happen if the users have chosen to log on to their Facebook via Troll Memes. This will mean easier and quicker access when users are wanting to share and post Troll Memes to other friends via Facebook. I'm Rachel, and for this part of the video I'll be talking about the user experience for our web app, which is Troll Memes. This will explain how the different users will feel about using the web app to see if they can get used to it and if they manage using it okay, or what problems they come across when using it if they feel they have any. To me, the users will have no problem with using our app as it is very straightforward and basic to use, with different effects that other apps have, such as the Facebook app with the different likes and shares, etc. As for this, our app will be able to share the uploaded GIFs to Facebook or Twitter so other people can see them. The users can have different emotions when using the app, as they can find it very stressful if they aren't a smartphone user a lot, or if they haven't got the hang of it straight away in different ways compared to others who find it a lot easier to use and play with, which would probably be the younger target audience that the web app that we have created is trying to approach. Users may find that the app is effective in different ways to them. For the different users that take interest in the app, they can see if it is the type that can be meaningful or not. Like, does it have a meaning to them, or is it just a silly app that has been created and a waste of time, which some others could think. And on the other hand, others may think that it is a great idea and can take a lot of benefit from it. Many apps have different viable aspects, and the main one on our web app would be the ability to upload different moving GIFs to this site and share them with different people on different social networks out there, for example Twitter and Facebook.
I'm Helene, and for this part of the video I'm going to talk about the information that will be in our app Troll Memes. When the user clicks on the app on their phone, the first part of it they will see will be the login page, in which they will have to enter their username and password in which they have created. This will allow them to access all the areas of the app and watch it and upload GIFs of their own. The whole point of this app is for users to be able to interact through animated GIFs instead of chatting, which is very unusual, although I know a lot of people that communicate through these GIFs as they have a great sense of humour to do so. The user will have the option to upload their own GIFs onto the app by clicking on the upload button that is provided for them. When they click on the button, they will be able to select their GIF from where it is saved within their phone and upload to share with others. When they have selected, they will be asked to name the GIF, give it some tags, and also add in their name and email address so that everyone on the app at that time knows who have added this particular GIF. Each GIF may or will be different in the sense that it comes under a different category. The app will contain many categories including angry, stupid and laughing, which are only examples there, although there will be more categories included. Depending on the tags and the name of the GIF, it will be put into its correct category to match its description, which is great. When someone uploads a GIF to the app, it will produce a short link with appropriate naming, which will allow easy usage and people will understand better rather than a long link. Many people, when they see long links, they don't want to click on them, therefore a short link will be more appropriate. These short links will also be able to be shared on social media websites, including Facebook and Twitter, which will allow other users who don't see the app to see the troll GIFs. The troll GIFs will generate a short link when uploaded so that the users can easily copy and paste these links to the social media websites instead of having to go and find them anywhere else on the internet. The information is spread easily, therefore this is why this is a great invention and will work really well, especially for when people want to communicate using these. The whole idea of this app is to make people laugh and also crack them up to the extent that they may get angry. Many people use these as a joke, or if someone says something that is funny, they would reply with a GIF. If someone also says something that is stupid or inappropriate, they may be sent back to annoy them and crack them up, which is funny to a certain extent for the person sending it. A lot of people communicate through these GIFs. Instead of sending messages with text within them, they send these, which is great as many people can communicate easily with them. Others, on the other hand, may not have had that sense of humour and not find it funny at all. Some may know what way to take the GIFs, whereas others may think that it is sarcasm. The information that is going to be within the app will actually be community-driven information, in which the people using the app will be the ones creating the content within each of the different GIFs that they post and upload onto the app. Nothing will be updated by the admin unless something goes wrong, which will be very unlikely.